Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You already have the backup and an extractor installed. Now begin. Open the extractor, then point it to the iTunes backup folder, typically in appdata /roaming/Apple Computer /mobile sync /backup. Once selected, let the program scan. This locates the encrypted SQLite files and media containers. Make sure to choose the correct backup by date and device name. If the backup is encrypted, prepare your device passcode or Apple ID credentials for decryption before proceeding. With the scan complete, switch to the Media or Photos tab and filter to show images only. This speeds selection. Preview thumbnails to confirm quality and pick either entire albums or specific date ranges, then mark selection. Choose an export format and destination on your PC. Many tools offer to keep original file names or rename by date time. Let the extractor process. Larger backups may take minutes. Keep the export folder open so you can verify a few files as they appear. Once export finishes, open several photos to confirm integrity and then copy them to a second backup drive or cloud. If images are missing or corrupted, rerun the extractor's scan and try a different tool. Some handle SQLite blobs better. For encrypted backups, make sure you use the exact backup password or your device passcode. Without it, you can't decrypt. If you still can't access photos, test the original backup folder on another PC to rule out local permission or disk errors.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.